Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market update dated the 9th of January 2024. Benchmark indices ended higher for the second consecutive session on January 9th amid volatility with Nifty around 21,550. At close, the Sensex was up 30.99 points, a 0.04% at 71,386.21. And the Nifty was up 31.80 points, a 0.15% at 21,544.80. Hero MotoCorp, Adani Ports, SBI Life Insurance, Apollo Hospitals and Adani Enterprises were among the top gainers on the Nifty, while losers were Nestle India, Britannia Industries, Asian Paints, Bajaj Finserv and HDFC Bank. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of POLYCAB tanked over 8% on January 9 after reports 200 rupees crore tax evasion. Sources told CNBC TV 18 that the income tax department detected 250 rupees 300 crore of transactions booked in the company's promoter accounts. The company had denied the allegations. The income tax department had conducted raids across 50 locations of POLYCAB on December 22. The company, however, denied such claims and told CNBC TV 18 that there was no communication from the IT department on the outcome of the search done in December. They added that the company responded to the clarifications and details asked by the income tax department after the search. Tata Motors hit a 52-week high of 809 rupees on January 9 after Jaguar Land Rover delivered the highest wholesale figures in 11 quarters in the October to December period. The stock gained 2.5% after JLR, the company's luxury car division, sold 27% more vehicles in the December quarter of financial year 2024 from the year-ago period. JLR could be the next big re-rating driver for Tata Motors if performance is steady, analysts at Morgan Stanley said. They shared an overweight rating on the counter, with a target price of 890 rupees a share, implying an upside of 10% from the current level. The L&T stock touched a fresh 52-week high of 3,575 rupees and 90 paise on January 9, up around 2% from the previous close, after it bagged the order to build in Ames in Haryana. LARSEN and TOUBRO Construction's buildings and factories business secured the significant order from HITS, a mini Ratna PSE under Health and Family Welfare Ministry. The new All India Institute of Medical Sciences will be built in Rewari, the infrastructure major has said. The company didn't disclose the value but described it as a significant order, a classification meant for works in the 1,000 crore rupees 2,500 crore rupees bracket. Shares of IRB infrastructure developers soared 8% to hit a 52-week high of 45 rupees and 55 paise on January 9 after the company reported a strong growth in toll collections for December. The company collected 488 crore rupees in toll in December, up 26% from 388 crore rupees in the same month of the previous fiscal. Pleased to see the continued growth momentum across all our highways assets. Since the second half of the financial year is always better for toll collection perspective, we expect this growth to continue for the remaining quarter of financial year 2024 too, Deputy CEO Amitabh Murarka said. Shares of FSNA Commerce, NYKAA, gained nearly 5% in the opening trade on the NSE on January 9, a day after the company announced its Q3 business update. In its Q3 business update, FSNA Commerce Ventures, the parent company behind the brand NYKAA, said, NYKAA Fashion has witnessed strong growth in Q3 financial year 2024, continuing the momentum from the previous quarter. Fashion vertical GMV, gross merchandise value, for the quarter expected to grow at around 40%, with NSV, net sales value, growth expected in the low 30s on year-on-year basis. For Q3 financial year 2024, at a consolidated level, we expect our NSV to grow in the mid-20s and revenue to grow in the low 20s on a year-on-year basis. Visagar Polytechs Limited in daily time frame is trading around 1.50 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 13.263 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 1.23, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 83.40. Pavnar Industries Limited in daily time frame is trading around 582.60 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 17.149 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 453.90, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 87.59. Pondy Oxides and Chemicals Limited in daily time frame is trading around 728.25 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 819.731 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 561.59, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 89.30. For the stock recommendation we have, Tata Communications Limited looks good and can be bought at 1,735 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 1,705 rupees and a target of 1,775 rupees. You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.